So you got your notes? You ready, Sean? Two different signs. Factoring. Quadratics. It's going to be pretty exciting, Omar. Omar, we're going to get hundreds again today. Yeah. Oh, man, I feel sorry for Pedro and Steve not being here today. Today's a big day, Nicole. Yeah. Ready, Chris? So, like, the first thing we learned was when it looked like this, right? Like, let's say, I don't know. Oh, Sabrina, give me two numbers, please. 3 and what? 6 and 3. So like this. That's the way we learned first, right? So you just look and see what two numbers multiply to 18. You can make a list if you couldn't figure it out. And then you see which of those numbers add up to make the middle number, right? So this would be x plus 6, x plus 3. I don't know why this pen's not working. Oh, epic fail. Wow, the trash can's like, how far is that? 2.5 feet away from me? And I missed. Wow. Yeah, I know, right? That's just pathetic. Oh, that was just a sad story right there. Yeah. I could play for the UCLA basketball team with that kind of skill. All right. And then what we learned second was like if it was like this. I don't know. Ooh. Give me two numbers, Cassie. 2 and 10. So x squared minus 12x plus 20. Hey, that's what we learned the second time, right? And so this, you see how this number is positive? And where this number comes from is like these two numbers multiply together. So same sign, but both negative. Because negative 2 times negative 10 is positive 20. And negative 2 plus negative 10, negative 12. Enrique, you're good so far? Like that's what we had so far, right? But now let's use 2 and 10 again. Like, watch this. Oh boy. This is the third way. This is what's next. X squared minus 8x minus 20. Or x squared plus 8x minus 20. Oh boy. Oh yeah. Different. Oh, back the truck up. Back the truck up. Watch, let me show you this. Let me show you the long way to do it first. And then after you get used to that, Jalen, you start doing it in your head. Okay? So the numbers are multiplied to 20. 1 and 20, good. 2 and 10, 4 and 5. That's it, right? Is that right? Now check this out. I got it. Okay, so on the right side, I'm going to add them. 21, 12, 9. Right? On the left side, I subtract them. 1, 8, and 19. Do you see what number I'm looking for, Mateo? You know what number I'm looking for? 8. Do you see that? So these are the two numbers right here that multiply to make 20, because 20 is what we're looking for. And they subtract to make 8. Do you see? Hold on, watch. Let me show you. Mira. That's the answer. Sean, do you know, like, if I asked you to multiply this together, right? You know what I'm talking about right now with FOIL? You know what I'm talking about with that? So look, would the first two make x squared? The outside would be 2x. The inside, negative 10x. And the last two, do you see how negative times a positive is negative? And you see what this equals right here? What does that equal right there? Negative 8x right there. Sure, if you can figure it out in your head, sure. If you can't figure it out in your head, that's what you do. But watch this one right here. Check this out. This is different. What's different? Iran, do you see what's different between these two? One what is negative? But you see how they both have a negative 20? See this negative right here? When that's negative, your answers are different signs. This means one positive and one negative.
What's the same thing for both negatives?
No, no, no. When they're both negative, this is a positive, see?
No.
Oh.
I'm talking about the problem.
Oh, yeah, right.
It's gotta be different.
Yeah, that means different signs. One positive in your answer. This means in your answer there's one positive and one negative. When this is negative,
The other one too?
means one of the answers is positive and one of them is negative. So here's what you got to ask yourself. What two numbers multiply to negative 20 and add to positive 8? Like, Cassie, this is the question. What two numbers multiply to negative 20 and add to positive 8? Anybody know? Yes, ma'am. She says these two numbers multiply to negative 20 and add to positive 8. Do you guys agree? That true, Chris? These two multiply to negative 20. These two add to positive 8. So, she's right. That's your answer. Do you see? Sean, you see? How about Eric? Yeah? Brandon, a little bit. Let's try another one. Listo? You ready? Gidana, you ready? Not ready. Let's do one more real slow and then we're going to start just practicing some. Okay, Nicole? Are you ready, Angie? Yeah. Are you ready now, Gidan? Oh. You ready? Ballin'! I made it that time. See that? All right, Paul. Let's do x squared minus 5x minus 36. And if you know the answer, don't say it. Don't say it if you know the answer. Here's what you have to look at. This is what you have to figure out. What numbers? What two numbers multiply to negative 36 and add to negative 5? Who's got it already? Don't say the answer, but how many guys got it? Oh yeah, a few people. Mateo, do you got it? Not yet? So the numbers that multiply to 36, but they subtract, or they add to negative 5. What two numbers multiply, like, what are the numbers that multiply to 36? 1 and 36, 2 and 18, 4 and 9. How about 6 and 6? Do those make 36? Yeah. And then 2 and 18, yeah, that's it. So which of those numbers, we got 1 and 36, we got 2 and 18, oh, we got 3 and 12, 4 and 9, and 6 and 6. Which of those numbers make 5? These make 5, don't they? Is it a positive 5 or a negative 5? So which of these has to be negative, the 4 or the 9? The 9 is negative because, like this. Do you see? That's why the 9 is negative. So, x minus 9, x más 4. Is this harder than last week? A little bit, right? You have to be more careful. It's the same thing. Just got to be careful. Idani, we got to get 100 today. Yeah? What's up, Daniel?
Can you do it like positive first? No.
Oh, could you write it like this?
No, like +9.
Oh, no. Check this out. I'm glad you asked that. So Daniel's asking this. What if you wrote that as your answer? Well, let's multiply this out and see what you get. Daniel, what's the first two make? If I multiply these together to check my answer, what did the first two make? X squared. All right. Carlos, what's the outside make? The outside. Negative 4x. See? Alan, what's the inside make? Huh? Plus 9x. All right. And rubber toe. See? What do the last two make? Negative 36. So when you add these together, is that positive 5 or negative 5? Positive 5. So if this was your problem, this would be your answer. These are different. You see? So now it really matters. And that's where it gets tricky. How many of you guys feel like you got this right now? Oh. How many guys like you think you got it, but you're afraid you're going to make a mistake? Oh, yeah. All right. How many guys are like, what room are we in? Cassie, you changed your hair, but it still looks cool. Yeah. You ready? Let's see here. Enrique, give me two numbers, por favor. 2 and what? 2 and 13? Este vato. 13. Okay, try all 4. You already know the answers. You know the numbers. What are the numbers, Enrique? Right. Sean, what's 13 times 2? Oh, yeah, now you see. Baldo, you got a haircut? Looking sharp. You done, Sean? Pick up your pencil. Come on, don't get all lazy on us. How you doing, Paul? That's a nice sweatshirt, Paul. Do you have all 4 of them right? Pretty sure? Levon, do you have them all right? Yeah. You tired today? Yeah. Yeah, everybody's tired. Let's see, where are they? Oh, I see, those are really good. Those aren't very good notes there. Man, I can't even tell. So that one's good. That one's good. Yeah, you got it. Let's see, Paul. Paul, who threw this trash over here, you think? You always make people keep the trash that you make sorry. Then we have left. So you think, alright, that's good, that's good. That's good, that's good. You got it. You got them, Sabrina? No. Oh. You got it, Eric? Yeah. Sure, yeah, that's fine. Doesn't really matter the order. What matters is that the 13 is negative, because they add up to the negative 11. So negative 13 plus 2 is negative 11. Who else got it? Mateo's got it. Mateo, did you get a haircut? No? Really? Last week? Oh, last week. That works. That's good. That's good. Yep. Trying to figure it out. Yeah? See, Carlos? See that? What was the first one? First 2 are wrong. Because look, positive 13 minus 2. Positive 11. You see? What's up, guys? Thanks, man. Yo, second. Second, dude. Second. See, that should be a positive. Because if it was a negative, then this would be a negative. If they were both negative, it would be this answer right here.
True.
Jalen, why you got your phone in? Thank you, Jalen. Oh, but look. 13 minus 2 is 11, not 15. Yeah, we need more help. Don't worry, we're good. I got this. How'd you do? Yeah, let's see. Oh, that looks good. That looks good. Negative 13 plus 9. Oh, wait. These are the same. That has to be a positive 13 and a negative 2. All right, Sean. Check this out. Sean. Hi, Sean. Check this out. I'm going to write an answer right here. And I'm going to write an answer. And then we're going to pick somebody. Paul's going to pick somebody. Paul's going to pick somebody. And if that person gets it right, then Paul's going to get an extra credit point. Paul, I'm going to put the answer right here. And they're going to pick A, B, C, or D where it fits, okay? You ready? So let's do... All right, Paul, who are you picking? Ivan. He doesn't even know what we're doing. Why do you have to look at your notes?
I can't.
No, you can't. I was just wondering. Before you say your answer, Ivan, before you say your answer, how many guys think you know if this is A, B, C, or D? How many? Just show hands. Okay, most people think they know. Now there's pressure. He says it's A. Let's see if he's right. Let's see. The first two make x squared. The outside makes 2x. The inside negative 13x minus 26. So that's... He's right. That's A. Because that is the same. Do you see? Yeah? Sean, do you see or not see? But you messed him up, huh? Yeah, that's okay. You messed it up. You're learning from it. You got to learn from our mistakes. If you're the youngest child in your family, your parents learn from their mistakes. Yeah, it's mean. I'm sorry. That's a good one right there, Lexi. I don't know why you guys are so sleepy today. All right. Idani, are you ready? We're going to play a little game right here. Paul, are you texting me? Come on, Paul. Put your phone away, please. Check this out. Check this out. Put your phone away, Sean. Sean. Thank you, Sean. There's a clock right there, and there's a clock right there. See, it says 13:05. That means 1:05. Right there. See that? Right there. Este vato. Okay, Daniel. Check this out, Daniel. You ready? X squared minus 36. X squared minus 10x plus 25. This is A. This is B. Here comes number C. Number C. Did you hear what I said? Number C, Chris. That's pretty pathetic. That's a letter, not a number. Kids these days. Let's do... Okay, I'm gonna put one thing over here, and you're gonna match it up. And look, I got 4 and 5, so there's an extra. Ooh, that's mean right there, Carlos. Do you know why that's mean? That's mean because one of them doesn't fit. You have something in your hair, Levon. I don't know who put it there. It's still there, it's paper. I'm guessing Mina put it there. Ay, Mina. I'm going to give you a minute to work with whoever you want, because I'm going to call on people on random, and if you get it right, I'm going to give you extra credit. So I'm going to give you a minute to figure out as many of these as you want. You ready? Go. Donnie, are you getting help over there? Is Sean helping you? Yeah.
So one of them don't fit, right?
No, that did.
Right. Edith, who are you working with? Nobody? Carlos, who are you working with? Are you going to ask somebody? You got this. It's easy.
Well, did you put number 3? Gel?
Paul, I'm going to have to take it away. Thank you, Paul. That's better. Help somebody. You're helping Mia. All right. What was your question? Yeah, right here. All right, back to your chairs. Here we go.
Mister,
¿Qué pasó?
I want you to do number letter B.
Letter B. You want B? Yeah, I don't think it's going to really work for that so much. I think you need... I have faith in you. I didn't doubt you. No. I didn't doubt you. All right, everybody ready? Man, I don't know where my random number generator went. That's a sad story. Okay. Let's see. Random number generator. It says it's installed. I just couldn't find it. Okay. 1 through 35. Are you ready? Are you ready? 18. 18 is Enrique. See, it says right here. Enrique is number 18, right there. See? Enrique, what's a match on this that you know? For sure. For extra credit. So he says D and number 1 go together. Is he right? Because if I multiply this together, I get x squared. And then look, 8 minus 3 is positive 5 minus 24. So he's right. Dang, Enrique. Like that, right there. Cool. Okay, who's going next? Let's see. Who's going next? Oh, number 1. Brandy, you're number 1. See, it said number 1 right there. Brandy, what do you know that fits? So, you said C is 5. Do you guys agree? Because 6, negative 6 plus 4 is negative 2, right? Negative 6 times positive 4 is negative 24. C is 5. Dang. How many of you guys got both of those right? Like you knew that.
Which one?
The 2 we've done, Sean. Couldn't see. All right. 12. 12 happens to be Nicole. Hi, Nicole. What do you got? B is 2. Do you guys agree with her? Yeah. Yep. Dang, Nicole. All right. And, oh boy. Man. You guys saved the tricky one for last. That's funny. Because you see how this could be? Like, you see? You see what I mean? Oh, man. Oh, boy. 32. 32 is Mia. Mia, which one's A? 3 or 4? Do you guys agree with her?
Yes.
Yes. Because this is x squared plus 12x plus 36. Right? Hey, did this help you guys?
Yeah.
More than just a practice problem, I think, right?
Yeah.
Paul, what are you doing now? That's not even your phone now. Paul. Oh my God. Ay. Swiper no swiping, Paul. I know, she left it, I know. Should we do this one again? Should we do this again? Yeah? So wait, you don't get how to get, like... Who can explain how we would factor that? It says factor. Who can explain how you do that? Who can explain that for us? Do you know, Baldo? No? Oh. Who knows? Who can explain how to do this for us? Because it sounds like you guys aren't ready yet for your quiz. Enrique, can you say how to do that? Tell us. Uh-huh. So it multiplies to 35. I know what he meant. Don't worry. Keep going. And then what? Hey, is the 35 positive or negative? Enrique, you see that's a negative 35? And then you had it, and then you got confused, and then you lost it. But you had it. I know what you were going to say. And you said 2 because of the next thing you were supposed to say. That's where the 2 came from in your head. Brandon, you have to look for the 2 numbers that multiply to negative 35, and the same 2 numbers add to negative 2. If you don't know, make a list. What numbers multiply to 35? Not 6 and 5. 7 and 5. There's 2 numbers, 1 and 35, and 5 and 7. If you subtract them, do you see what I made this chart? You see how I made that? Do you see how I made that chart? Yeah? And we're looking for this number. And you see how it has to be a negative 2? Which one's going to be negative, the 5 or the 7? Why the 7? Try it. Do you see? Daniel, you got this or not got this? You got this. You sure? Okay, let's try this. Let's try this. Everybody try this one. Got 1 minute. Come on, Irani. You got this. Come on. That one already? Neta. All right, you got 5 seconds left. Daniel, what'd you get?
X minus 10, X plus 5.
Do you guys agree with him? It's x minus 10 times x plus 5? Yeah? What's your question, Brandon? You got it now? Okay. All right. Hey. Let me show you. I have a list of your names right here. Do you see them? Oh, do you see your list of names? You see your list of names? Here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to put a problem on the board. I'm going to count to 5, and then I'm going to call on somebody. If after I count to 5 you've got the right answer, I'm going to give you extra credit. If you don't, we're just going to move on. Are you ready? Are you ready? Here we go. X squared plus x minus 20. 1, 2, 3. Who needs more time? Everybody does. Okay. Who thinks they got it? Chris has got it. Mina's got it. Cassie's got it. Enrique's got it. Nicole, do you have it yet? All right. Brianna, do you have it? Not yet. Roberto, you got it? You think? What do you think it is?
I think it's positive 4 and negative 5.
So you think it's x plus 4 times x minus 5? It's backwards. What is it, Levon?
Positive 5 and negative 4.
So tell me like how the answer would be.
X plus 5 and x minus 4.
Iralo. X plus 5, x minus 4. How many of you guys got that? Oh, not a lot. How many of you guys were close? Should I give Levon extra credit for that?
No.
Yeah.
Levon, should I? I think so. All right. Actually, I don't know where you got the other. That's 3 points extra credit for you so far. Dang. Okay, next one. Hey, how about like this? You guys are still struggling. Why don't I give you guys 30 seconds to find help? Starting right now, you can get out of your chair. Ready, set, go. Find help. Find help. 30 seconds. Andale pues. You better hurry. 25 seconds left. Idani, you got it? Nobody's even asking you, Lexi. Oh, there we go. Idani's asking you.
Get out.
Only one way is right. Are you like this?
Because I had put 2 negatives.
Negative x negative 1 plus x más 2.
Right.
Yes?
Yes.
So how do you change the signs or something?
What do you mean, Cassie?
You know how there's negative and positive?
Well,
How do you-
this is backwards because. No, that's right. That's right.
No, but like I don't know how you get negative and positive.
Because it makes a positive 1. So 2 minus 1 is positive 1.
So you just switch the signs.
Yeah, until you get it. Are we ready? All right, here we go.
Bye bye, mommy boy.
Random number generator. I got number 29. Number 29 happens to be Miss Angie. Miss Angie, what's the answer?
X minus 1.
She said x minus 1 times x plus 2. Yep. So, listen, I think some people are getting confused on, okay, there's a difference. If you say that the negative was the 2 and the positive was the 1, that's wrong. However, you could have said it like Angie said. She said x minus 1 times x plus 2. That's okay. But you can't say x minus 2 times x plus 1. That's different. What's the matter? Is Daniel beating you today? Is that what's going on? Is that what's happening, Daniel? You're just taking it to him, huh?
It's just getting it wrong.
All right, next one.
He said negative 2 plus 1.
I know, that's wrong. I know. Eric, chance for redemption right here, buddy. Time to redeem yourself. And just put it in his face and be like, tu cara. Just tell him.
I already know.
You got this one? Enrique's got this one, doesn't he? Yeah, I believe Enrique's got this one. 10 more seconds, and I'm going to call on somebody. Man, we're just giving away extra credit like nothing. You know what we should do? Maybe we should do, like, whoever gets the most extra credit by the end of the quarter gets a treat for a prize or something. Maybe. Okay. Next up is number 15. Number 15 happens to be our very own Jalen Johnson. Jalen, what do you got? You didn't even try it yet, Jalen?
I was. You said no.
Oh, you know what? You can use pencil right now. It's okay.
No, you didn't get that.
How many of you guys think you got it? So let's give Jalen another 10 seconds and see if he gets it. I have faith in him. Sean, what are you doing? Why? What do you got, Jalen?
X minus 6 and x plus 4.
He says x minus 6, x plus 4. Is negative 6 plus 4 negative 2?
Yeah.
And negative 6 times 4 is negative 24, right? So he's right. Idalo. How many of you guys got that one right? Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Okay, next up. Woo. Huh? Hold on, let's skip that one. Here, let's do this one. I don't even want to talk about that. I don't even want to talk about that yet. I don't even want to get into that. Let's do that one right there. X squared minus 6x minus 16. Oh, yeah. Sean, I think if I call on you, here's the deal. If I call on you, on anybody, and I see that that person's not working on it, if they had an extra credit point, they're going to lose it. And if they had none, then they just get a negative 1. Is that fair, Enrique?
It's not fair.
Wait, you're telling me, like, if you're just being lazy and you're not getting this, you're letting everybody down, it's not fair, you get punished?
That's what I said. You said.
Oh, I think I got it.
You got it, Valdo. Come on, Valdo. Enrique's got it. Carlos, you got it? How about you, Carlos? You got it? Alan, you got this? Giovanni, you got this? Yeah. Cassie, you got this? Axel, you got it yet? Or are you still working on it? Still working. Edith. Yeah? Natalia, good? Hey, random number generator, here we go. 25 is, wow, again. Livan, what do you got?
X minus 8 times x plus 22.
Livan has 4 extra credit points. He said x minus 8 times x plus 2.
Yeah, I know that.
What the heck? I actually got it right.
You need to have some faith in yourself. Wow. Pavo or guajolote? Because what's the difference? What's the difference? All right, next one. Oh, wait, we've done this one today. We have done this one today. We have done this one today. No? All right. Who's got it? What do you got, Jalen? X plus 7. X minus 5. Luis, did you get it right? Luis, we're not having a quiz today. We are going to have 6 homework problems. You have to do them. Otherwise, like if you do them, you're going to get 100 tomorrow.
Really?
Yes. Those 6 I circled right there. 6 through 11. 6 through 11. You can take a picture. So, Valdo, you got to do your homework today, right? Irani, you have to have your homework done tomorrow. I know, because we got to have hundreds. Yeah. Yes, ma'am.
Oh my god.
Now, because you never send them when they tell you.
Sean sent it to me. Okay.
Never send it.
I got you, Ariana. Oh, I got Sean, thank you. You guys are really doing your competition?
I have her already.
What's up, David?
I sent it to you.
You got it. What time did you send it?
Oh, the same thing.
Just 6 through 11. That's it. 6 through 11. Brandon, you got to have that homework done tomorrow.
We're gonna do it today.
Yes. Yes. And you're going to get hundreds tomorrow.
Hey, la semana la última clase.
Sean, you got to have it. Not just done, you got to be right.
Oh, yeah, I was secretary.
Hey, you guys did great today. I'll see you mañana.
Really? Oh my god. You never gave me gum.
I never had. Come on.
Hey, Carmen, you have to.
I got you.
Take some.
No.
Baby lotion. You want to smell like a baby? No.
It's like Steve.
He does. Alright, it's 2 minutes. It's team minutes. Can you take some? Take some? It's only lotion, I promise. Okay.
You drop some.
You need hella.
Too much
Let me
lotion.
rub it up with dough. Let me rub it up with
It's like
dough.
rubber all over here. I think I'm doing that.
Oh, we gotta go. I forgot what this was.
My eyes are tearing up because of the smell.
Did you finish it? I only got some of it.
But I mean, I could look, it's moving. I was wondering if you told me to do Spanish. What were you supposed to do?
Why?
Oh yeah. It looks like
Wait, you're 75% no or 75% yes?
no.
Oh.